Please close your eyes. Put your hands on your laps. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Put your complete attention on your legs. Your legs are relaxing. Relax. Put your complete attention on your calf muscles. Your calf muscles are relaxing. Relax. Put your complete attention on your thighs. Your thighs are relaxing. Relax. Put your complete attention on your stomach. Your stomach is relaxing. Relax. Put your complete attention on your chest. Your chest is relaxing. Relax. Put your complete attention on your both hands. Your both the hands are relaxing. Relax. Put your complete attention on your neck. Your neck is relaxing. Relax. Relax. Put your complete attention on your face. Your face is relaxing. Your total body is in a relaxed position. You feel completely relaxed. 5. Your body is relaxed. 4. Your mind is calm. 3. Your body is relaxed and your mind is calm. 2. Your total self is divinely silent, calm, relaxed. 1. You feel your absolute calmness, divinely silence all over you. We just start our journey to the subconscious mind. Just we are going inside. You are just moving deeper and deeper and deeper into you. It's a very big tunnel, very big tunnel. You are slowly walking into the tunnel. It's very dark. It's very dark. You are going inside, you are walking there. There is a little bit light, and you are able to see the ugly snakes just moving here and there. That is nothing but the negative energy within you, the things which you want to throw away from you. One snake may be procrastination. One snake may be your low self-esteem. The another snake may be a low self-confidence. Whatever thing which you don't want in you is just lying there. You don't want it. Just hold it, throw it as fast as possible. Throw it out of your body. Feel it. It's going out of the tongue, out of the mind, out of the body, goes and goes somewhere. Look one by one and throw it. The moment you throw, the tunnel becomes much more lighter. You are able to see. You are throwing one more, it becomes much more bright. Now you have thrown out all the snakes. You are a complete positive being. Just you are looking, and it is not a tunnel. Actually, it is a great Vrindavan. In front of you, there is a Vrindavan. Lot of trees, lot of flowers, roses, jasmine. The beautiful scent is emanating in that place. Everywhere grass, butterflies are dancing, the deers are jumping, and it is a divinely heaven. Your mind, your subconscious mind, unconscious mind is divinely heaven. You are just jumping in joy. Jumping in joy. You are jumping in the joy. It's heavenly beautiful. In that heavenly beautiful place, just you are sitting. Try to recollect the highest successful moment of your life. Just recollect the highest successful moment wherein you felt you were so successful. You have achieved something in your life. Recollect it. Recollect as if it's happening now. All over your body, the positivity is spreading. When you're thinking of it, all over your body, the positive hormones are flowing. Just recollect what happened on that day, who appreciated you, what you were talking within your own self. Just try to recollect. Recollect what the important people in your life told. How it felt to you. All over your body, the positivity is just spreading. Now try to recollect the things which you have written in the circle of excellence, one by one. Recollect one incident and feel as if it's happening now. And add it to the cumulative successful aspects. More positive hormones are flowing. Recollect one by one and Connect all the successful moments and let all the successful moments create a positive vibe. Let it flow inside your body. You are able to feel that vibe in your head. Vibe, the positive energy in your neck, in your chest, in your stomach, in your thighs, in your legs, all over your body. The successful moments energy is just flowing, just flowing. You feel so powerful. You feel so powerful, so energetic. All over your body, the positive energy is flowing and you feel that you are a winner. Do the anchoring, do the anchor, do the anchor, do the anchor. Feel that complete energy. Do the anchor, do the anchor. Lift your hands and do the anchor. Lift your hands and do the anchor. Feel that powerful energy flowing inside your body. All over your body it's flowing. Shout, shout, yes, shout, I am a winner. Whatever you want to. Just feel that energy. Feel that energy. The energy is growing. Stop. Keep your hands on your laps. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. When you breathe in all the positivity of the world. Breathe out. The whole universe is full of positive energy. And you are also with complete positive energy. Let all the positive energy of the world just flow into you. Just imagine a circle around you. In that circle, all the successful aspects of your life is brimming with energy. Create a color for the energy. All over the circle, there is positive energy just rotating. The energy is just rotating around you. Imagine a color. You are standing inside the circle. And the universe full of positive energy. The universe is just supplying its energy to you. Feel that energy in your head, hands and body. All over your body, the universal energy is flowing. And your own successful moment energy is just joining. And all over the circle, there is the positive energy just flowing. To the anchor, I am a winner. I am a winner. To the anchoring, lift your hands. Do it powerfully. Feel it inside your body. Feel it inside your mind. Yes, I am a winner. I am a winner. I am a winner. Slowly put your hands on your laps. Slowly put your hands on your laps. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Now slowly we are coming out of the subconscious mind. We have come out. It is no more a tunnel. It's a beautiful Vrindavan. You are just coming out of it and feel your room. Feel your room. Feel the dress which you are wearing. 1, 2, feel your dress. 3, feel whatever is available in your room. 4, feel this Zoom room. 5, take a deep breath. Breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Keep that silence for a few seconds with you. Just keep that silent. Enjoy the silence. Enjoy the silence. Can anybody open your mic?
Yes, I'll speak.
Yeah, Rebecca.
Yes, so I felt very relaxed because the past few days, along with these sessions, I had a lot of work. So I felt like whatever energy drain was there and leak was there, I felt like it was an instant calm battery recharge. And when, especially the best part was when you said give it a color. Let my mind, I had programmed my brain to listen to you completely. So I had like a light blue color, even like a soft music was there, and it was giving me so much of energy that I could feel the emotions. I even got a little like teary eyed, but not from a sad perspective, from a very like, I feel positive, I feel different.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can just hear it from any one person, any one more person. Anyone else? Anyone else? You can open your mic. Yeah. So, Senthil sir.
Sir, I thoroughly enjoyed, and I could relate all my positives. Like since you asked me to throw all the negative outs and add with more positives and circle of excellence, like circle of achievements. So I tried to evaluate where all we have done some good things, like where all I have achieved things. There are so many achievements. Just because of one or two things, I just got struck, which were, but it took longer time for me to recover from that. So maybe that was still having a lot of pinch on me. In fact, I had actually discussed in a few of our sessions also on this also with other people there. I feel a little relieved out of it. I feel like it's good to think more positive than the negative. Whatever had happened, happened has happened. We can't go back. Now it's the time to think of good things and move positive. And we can definitely do that kind of energy. I've just got, sir.
This
More
is
of
actually,
positive.
thank you, Senthil. Actually, this is one of the exercise which Tony Robinson used to do, and I will share that video on the group. Okay, so you can see people will be shouting, jumping, "I am a winner! I am a winner!" And today even I was able to see Tanu Lakshmi jumping with "I am a winner! I am a winner!" and also Sendil sir and many other people. Okay, so it is actually this exercise. If you are a psychologist, you can do it in part also. Suppose if there are people who are having more of negativity in them, okay, so a low self confidence. Okay, now the snake is a metaphor for a low self confidence. So I know that I have a low self confidence. I want to throw it away. How to throw it away? So you are giving a shape to the low self confidence, and you are throwing it away. So what will happen is when they are doing again and again, so the subconscious will really throw it away. So their positive energy will start more. Now one of the aspects is remove the negatives, fill it with positive. That is what this exercise. Okay, Rebecca, yeah, this is NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming. NLP is one of the best art and science in the world. So these are the exercises when you give to people, particularly in a group, particularly in live programs. I used to give this in colleges. The impact will be awesome. So thank you very much, Shay.